Welcome back to Johnson's Garage, y'all. This past week, not this past weekend, the weekend before, Retro Fest Chatham. One of the best car shows in not only Chatham, Kent, but probably all of Ontario. Had a little bit of a problem. The weather did not want to cooperate. However, we did go down Friday night, and a lot of cars will cruise Friday night. So we went down, we got some footage of that. That's what we're going to show you. Saturday was a washout. The rain came and never left. I was hoping they were going to postpone the car show till Sunday. Didn't happen, but we did go down and catch some of the car crews. Enjoy. Looks like the old Friday nights from back in the day on cruise night. So back when I could sport a mullet and was probably 50 pounds lighter, every Friday, Saturday night was cruise night here in Chatham, and you would cruise from one end of King Street, the main drag, to the other, turn around and do it all over again, and you'd do that till probably 2-3 o'clock in the morning, and it would be bumper to bumper cars. Let's cruise down here and see if we can see any classic cars. I think we are going to slip off the main street here and head to the other end, try to find ourselves a parking lot, because it's going to take us forever to get down there. See y'all there. All right, we found ourselves at King and William Street, actually parked on William Street. And you can hear them going by. So there's quite a few vehicles out here. We're just going to have a look to see what's cruising around. So the car show tomorrow takes place right down there on King Street, and also on the street here, as well as in the parking lot. Usually when it comes to race cars, they're parked right over in that area over there. Now this whole block here is a Retro Suites hotel, including a restaurant and themed rooms. That's right, each room has a different theme. the back of the Retro Suites Hotel. It is what it is. It's not the longest video in the world, but we did get to see some cool hot rods, and that was the whole goal. We kind of knew Saturday might be a washout, and it was. I feel bad for the Retrofest folks. I feel bad for the people that were going to come down and check out the cars. Pearl was supposed to be there. Didn't happen. You got to play with the weather, and sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. Hopefully next year it is sunshine the whole weekend. So until then, remember, if it ain't broke, we'll break it. See you on the next one. Later.